Nuke power. It is used in the steam turbines to generate electricity using the nuclear energy in the nuclear power plant that generates heat. Nuclear power plants. Nuclear power plants are basically constructed to transfer nuclear energy into electrical energy. Nuclear energy is released as the parent nuclei fusses to produce two daughter nuclei. The unstable nuclei set into mobility and bombard with other nuclei transmitting the energy. The subsequent nuclei gain the extra energy and become unstable and split into two nuclei and migrate in two different and opposite directions. Radioactivity. Radioactivity is a decay of the nucleus. As the mass of the nucleus is more and also the forces of attraction and repulsive force between the protons are high, the nucleus is unstable and emits radiation during the decay, which can be gamma decay, beta decay, or alpha decay depending on the particle emitted during the radioactivity. Uranium fission. This is a highly unstable and hence quickly radioactive element, and therefore it is mostly used in the nuclear power plant to produce a huge amount of energy. As it is an unstable element in nature, it is usually found in the form of the isotope in nature and rarely found in its pure form. The uranium atom decays to form a thorium isotope on radioactivity. Atomic explosion. The decaying of the nucleus gives out a huge amount of energy, and due to the uncontrolled fission of the nucleus, highly radioactive elements like uranium and thorium are used to make an atomic explosion. This produces a huge disaster, polluting the air and spreading out to huge volumes. The high energies photon and electrons and helium are migrating in the air, increasing the aerosol content in the atmosphere, causing oxygen deficiency and many breathing issues. Desalination. Desalination is a process of separation of salt and minerals from the seawater with the help of evaporation. Nuclear desalination is a technique used to achieve this process. The heat generated by the nuclear power plant is utilized for desalination. The immense heat is supplied to the seawater. As the temperature of the water reaches its boiling point, the water gets converted into the vapor state and gets evaporated, and what is left behind is salt and minerals. Raman effect. Nuclear medicines are used to help detect and cure different forms of cancers. A small quantity of the radioactive substance is injected into the body to locate the cancerous cells in the body, testing each and every organ and tissue. Nuclear radiation helps to even take the picture of the affected area to get a clear idea of the tumors and infections caused. Raman effect. The Raman effect is a change in the wavelength and energy of the incident light and the scattered light wave. When the electron is incident on the atom, the nuclei of the atom are deformed and the gamma ray is emitted from the nucleus in the inelastic collision. The deflected beam of light rays by the vibrating molecules is seen as a blue-colored wave. Fuel. As nuclear fission can give out a huge amount of energy, the radioactive nuclei can be used as a fuel to provide heat energy. Hence, nuclear energy can be used in place of the other fuels used for various purposes. Sun. The sun is composed of hydrogen and helium element in dense. The hydrogen molecules fuss together to form the helium atom. Fusion is a combination of two elements to form a single element. During the fusion, the amount of energy is released, thus increasing the temperature of the sun. Food analysis. The nuclear energy is used to test the food if there are harmful contaminants present in the food. This is achieved by using a stable radioisotope. The ionizing radiation, when passed on the food samples, it helps to defend against the harmful microorganisms and prevents the illnesses caused by them. Frequently asked questions. How nuclear energy helps to detect the smoke? The radioisotope Am-241 is used to detect the smoke in the air. It emits the alpha radiation that ionizes the air molecules between the capacitor plates in the chamber. In presence of smoke, the mobility of the ions gets clogged, thus reducing the conductivity of the charged ion, and the current drops, indicating the smoke. What is the drawback of nuclear energy in the medical field? Nuclear techniques are used to detect and cure various health issues. Nuclear technology is risky and might cause several other impacts on health like cancer, skin problems, breathlessness, nausea, etc. What is the impact of nuclear energy on the environment? There is a major risk of air pollution due to nuclear activities. If the radioactive particle escapes in the air, it is very harmful and causes various ailments, increasing the aerosol particles in the air, chances of mutation, and polluting the air. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.